Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP can be used to find particular value by matching some condition. V in VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. We'll look at horizontal lookup later. Now let us see, we have a table here with ID, name, item, units, price and total. When we type in the ID, we want to return the total for that particular match in the total box in yellow here. For example, if we are typing 109, we want to return 449.1. If we type in 100, we want to return 999.50. So the value we are looking for is in column A. However, the value we are returning is in column F. So this is our total range of data from A4 until F23. To do this, we can use the VLOOKUP function. Whenever you are trying out a new function, it is easier for us to go into the Formulas tab and insert the function. By searching for VLOOKUP, we will have VLOOKUP show up in the functions. Selecting it will give us the dialog box for its arguments. The first argument is the lookup value. This is the value where we will type in something to search for it. Let us select the cell that we are typing this number in, that is the customer ID, which is in K6 here. And then we have to give the range or the table array for all of the data to be searched in. Now we select from here to here, A4 to F23, to tell that this is all the data that we need the formula to search for. The columns are named from the first column in the array to the last column in the array. That is, ID will be in column 1, name in column 2, and so on and so forth. Column 6 will be our total. We want to return total, so we type 6. We type false here if we want to get the exact match. We can type true, which we'll see later, if you want to get an approximate match. In most cases, we will use false here for an exact match. Also bear in mind that the column that you are searching for, the customer ID, should be the first column in your array. Only then VLOOKUP works, or else it will not. This is very, very important. Now when we type 106, it is returning as 449.1. Let us change the customer ID to something else. Let us change it to 110, and it is giving us 57.71, which is correct. Testing it again with something that does not exist in this list will give us not applicable error, because we are looking for an exact match and it is not found in the list of data that we have. This is how VLOOKUP works. Let us quickly look at it once again. We insert the function, select VLOOKUP. In the lookup value, we'll select the data where we are giving the input, and then we select the whole array, ensuring that the first column is the one we have the data in, and then we give the column index number as 6 where we want to return the data from, and we type in false and we hit enter. Now changing the customer ID will bring us the correct numbers. This is VLOOKUP. To become an Excel expert in a few hours, check out the playlists on our channel. If you have liked the video, click like button below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.